So if you guys want to see my whole entire process, then make sure you keep on watching because I'm going to give you guys all the details. This is what my hair is looking like today. I'm gonna show you guys basically the entire thing, like what I did. Just got a water bottle and I sprayed my hair in sections, and I used number 3, make sure I saturated it into my hair. Then I put a shower cap on and left it on for maybe 20 minutes because I was eating, so I was just like, let me go ahead and eat. The bottle does say 10 minutes. And then I went in the shower and I rinsed it out with cold water, and then I went in with number 4, which is the shampoo. One little dime size and you'll be good because this thing lathers up really fast. So basically I just kind of massaged into my head. I just made sure I kind of scratched my head a little bit with the shampoo, make sure my hair was getting really cleansed. So after I washed out number 4, I went in with number 5, which is the conditioner. With the conditioner, it didn't want to come out because I guess it's really thick, so I just opened the cap and then I just did this twice. And then I rubbed that all throughout my hair and made sure I got like from here down just to make sure I coated my entire hair. I did one little tiny dime size and then I just focused on the ends. I put a shower cap on top of my head and let it sit there for 3 minutes. So if you guys want to see my whole entire process, then make sure you keep on watching because I'm going to give you guys all the details. Pretty much when I got out the shower and I did the 3, 4, and 5 OLAPLEX treatment, I did not towel dry my hair. I left it soaking wet. I just, squeezed out a little bit of the excess water. So I'm gonna show you guys what I do. If my hair gets messed up in this video, I'm doing it for you. But what I do, I basically flip my hair like that. I'll just do this to my hair. Basically just keep scrunching it like that all around, and make sure you get these pieces because I know a lot of people forget to scrunch this. Put it in a little ponytail, and then I'll scrunch that entire section, and I applied all of my products that way because I feel like that gave me a lot more volume, and I'm very happy with my results. As you can see, this is how the results came out. I went in with Miel. This is the Hawaiian Ginger Moisturizing Leave-In Conditioner, and this conditioner, I was like shocked. It looks like this, so if you guys want to go ahead and look at it and take a screenshot. This thing is so moisturizing and it defines my curls so well. I feel like this has more product for some reason, and it's only like $6 or $7. And then I'll put in the Curl Enhancing Smoothie by Shea Moisture. I'll take some, scrunch it all throughout my hair. Make sure you get the crown of your hair because a lot of people neglect that. I'll take my Curl and Style Milk by Shea Moisture as well. Get some glob. Do the same scrunching method. This is the gel that I used last night in specific, and this is how my hair turned out. It turned out pretty good, but I didn't use a lot. I'll just take like a good, little pat of it. And then once I did that, I did the plopping technique, which I will leave a video down below of what the plopping technique is. That was my first time trying it, and this is the results, and I'm obsessed with it, so I'm definitely gonna do that more often. I left it in my hair for a good maybe hour or 45 minutes, and then after that it was still wet obviously, but it was a little bit more dry than usual. I got a blow dryer. I know the curly hair people are yelling at me, you're trying to transition your hair and you're using a blow dryer. Yeah, I'm sorry. I do air dry, but it takes a long time, so I just blow dried my hair, and I didn't diffuse. I used a regular blow dryer. I know you guys are still cringing, but hey, I'm telling you my real process. I used a regular blow dryer because I could not find my diffuser. I just went around my head, didn't touch my curls at all, just blow dried it like this. Nothing, just keep blow drying it, and then once it felt a little bit more dry and I could feel that gel cast, I'll just start scrunching it. So once it was pretty much dry, I put in my argan oil. This is the one and only argan oil, and this is my favorite argan oil ever. It makes my hair look so healthy and smooth, and it actually made my curls come back. That was the first product that I used when my hair was super damaged. I am super happy with the results. My hair has not looked this good in a really long time. Trust me, I've been through a lot of products, and I feel like this selection of products that I have right now works wonders. So I'm definitely gonna keep trying those products out and see if I get the same results each time. And if you guys want to update on that, I will definitely let you guys know. So to end this video off, would I recommend the OLAPLEX 3, 4, and 5? My opinion, definitely a must is number 3, because that is what pretty much made my hair look like this because it seals your bonds and it makes it look a little bit more healthy. I do see a difference. It doesn't look so dead at the ends. I used this twice and I'm only halfway. So it is expensive, sadly. It's like $26 for one bottle. But if you're trying to transition your hair and you want to try the OLAPLEX, I think this is a great product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below some other videos you guys want to see from me. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye.